Hello again. In this video we're going to be making a simple DIY balloon half arch frame with lamp stands. Now the materials you're going to use is one piece of aluminium rod, which you can get from any DIY store, a 20-inch MDF base plate, again you can get it from any hardware store, make your own, a roll of tape, some scissors and a lamp stand, which again you can get from IKEA or on the Amazon. I shall leave some links in the description. So you can either buy the base plate the size you need or get it cut in the hardware store or do it yourself. Now in this demonstration we're going to be using Gorilla tape, which is the strongest one you can get, but you can use other tapes like gaffer tape. That'll probably do the same thing. Now you just want to get the stand in the middle of the wooden base plate, then cut the tape to suit, tuck it round the back or underneath. Now you want to put plenty of it on there just so it holds it in place and it's not going to move around. We always tuck it underneath, as I say, makes it easier. Right way round it, both sides. As I say, you can use gaffer tape, which is what we're using here. It's less expensive and it will do the same thing. The Gorilla tape will hold it in place and then you can go around it just to secure it with a bit of gaffer tape. Again, tucking it under the bottom. That's it, that should hold that in place. And there's your base. Now you want some fabric, whatever colour you want to suit the balloon display. So you can have a plastic tablecloth in matching colours for your balloons. Just make a little hole in the top, drape it over the wooden base. Just enough so you've got a bit of overhang. You tuck it underneath like that. Doesn't have to be perfect, it's not going to be seen. Then you can just use sellotape on this one. You can use gaffer tape if you like, but sellotape's good enough, it'll just hold it in place. You don't want to be using your good Gorilla tape on all of it, as it's not necessary. And that's it completed there, so there's your base. And we'll just put it on the floor now and we'll tie the attachments to it. So you've got extensions on these, you've got two bits of it, depending on how high you want to go. It's generally around a 6 foot or 2 meters. And then you get your aluminium rod. As I say, you can get this in different gauges. This is about 10 mil, and it's very flexible and very lightweight. So you can put it on or cut it to the size you need. Just put it on, and as I say, because it's aluminium, it's very flexible and you can just bend it. You can bend it down while you're putting your balloon display on. We put a bit of tape around the top of it just to secure it. So as I say, you can pull it down while it's in there, put your balloon display on, or you could work off steps if you required, and then just bend it into place once you're finished. So let's look at the lamp stand. Now they're very cheap to buy. I'll leave a link in the description. It looks rough and ready when you see it without any balloons on it, but when you put the balloons on, it brings it to life. And there you go. Very nice. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.